I have created a very special DIY brow collection kit for all of you to become your own brow experts. Bipolar Brow Set gives you the most dramatic brow look ever. Brow defining pencil comes with two ends. One is a pencil and the other is a spoolie. This pencil is so creamy and matte finished. I create a shape that I desire, go with the brow shapes. And then after you create the brow shape, you fill it in with the hair-like strokes. Have a light hand, don't draw too many dark lines. With your spoolie brush, you gently brush it in to create the uniform effect so that the product is evenly spread out. Makeup always works with the dark and the light, intense colors and the muted colors. That's how you bring out the look on the face. On one end, you have a shimmery pencil. On the other, you have matte. So this matte side of the pencil, I draw on the brow bone and blend it in. If you think you're in a mood to party, if you want to add bling to it, this is the shimmery end. I'll put a dab of it on the brow bone and just pat it gently. Bipolar Brow Set was specially designed for you.